Welcome to our video on taking paper planes to the next level, building a giant version. Paper planes are a classic childhood pastime, but have you ever wondered what it would be like to scale up this simple toy and create a giant version? In this video, we will show you how to do just that. We'll take you through the step-by-step process of building a giant paper plane, from selecting the right materials to constructing the frame and adding the finishing touches. We'll also share some tips and tricks to help you achieve the best possible flight performance. Whether you're looking for a fun project to do with friends or want to impress your colleagues with a unique piece of office decor, building a giant paper plane is sure to be a memorable experience. So let's get started and take paper planes to the next level. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content.